Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of sin x to the power of 6 multiplied with cosine x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we will about u equal to sin x du equal to cosine x dx. So this one you got about u to the power of 6. This one we change for du. And now we got about u to the power of 7 over 7. About this one, we change u back to sin x. That's the end. Thank you for watching.